A controller can't replicate the feel of a real race, the weight transfer, the tire slip, the moment grip breaks loose underneath you. A proper racing wheel changes everything about how you play. In 2026, the sim racing market has options for every budget and skill level. I tested 5 of the best so you can find your perfect setup. Let's get into it. The Logitech G Pro Racing Wheel is Logitech's flagship entry into true direct drive sim racing, and it represents a genuine leap from their belt-driven heritage. Built around a direct drive motor delivering up to 11 Newton meters of torque, the force feedback is immediate, precise, and detailed enough to feel exactly when your tires lose grip on a wet apex. The carbon fiber rim is lightweight yet rigid, and the TrueForce technology synchronizes force feedback directly with in-game audio engine data, creating sensations that feel genuinely connected to what's happening on screen rather than generic vibration. Compatible with PlayStation, Xbox, and PC, the Pro Racing Wheel covers the broadest platform range on this list. The quick-release system swaps wheel rims in seconds, and the included pedal set features a load cell brake for realistic progressive braking feel. Build quality throughout feels genuinely premium, justifying its position at the top of Logitech's lineup. For sim racers who want true direct drive precision with cross-platform flexibility, the Logitech G Pro is the most accessible high-end entry point available in 2026. The Thrustmaster T128 is the smartest entry point into sim racing for anyone who isn't ready to commit serious money before knowing if the hobby is for them. This hybrid drive system combines belt and gear technology to deliver smoother, more responsive force feedback than typical entry-level wheels without the price tag of direct drive systems. The 28-centimeter rubber-wrapped wheel feels comfortable for extended sessions, and the 2-pedal set with adjustable spring tension covers the essentials needed for genuine racing simulation across most popular titles. Compatible with both Xbox and PC, the T128 plugs in and configures quickly with minimal setup friction. Build quality feels solid for the price point, and the responsive force feedback genuinely communicates road texture and impacts in a way budget wheels from a few years ago couldn't manage. The compact footprint mounts easily to most desks or racing rigs without requiring extensive clamp hardware. For first-time sim racers, casual players, or anyone testing the waters before investing in premium hardware, the Thrustmaster T1128 delivers a genuinely satisfying introduction to proper wheel and pedal racing. The Thrustmaster T248 steps up from the T128 with a hybrid drive system delivering noticeably stronger, more nuanced force feedback for racers ready to commit further into the hobby. The dual belt and gear-driven mechanism produces smoother torque delivery than entry-level systems, communicating road texture, curbs, and grip loss with genuine clarity. The wheel features a built-in LED display showing RPM, lap times, and other telemetry directly on the rim, keeping critical information in your line of sight without glancing at the screen. Magnetic paddle shifters provide crisp, satisfying gear changes, and the 3-pedal set includes a progressive conical brake mod for more realistic braking resistance than standard linear pedals. Compatible with PlayStation, Xbox, and PC, the T248 covers the same broad platform range as premium options while sitting at a noticeably more accessible price. Build quality feels substantial without crossing into direct drive territory or pricing. For intermediate sim racers who've outgrown entry-level wheels and want meaningfully better feedback without jumping straight to direct drive cost, the T248 is the natural next step. The Moza R5 is a complete direct drive racing simulator bundle. And for PC racers who want a genuine all-in-one solution without piecing together separate components, Moza delivers serious value. The direct drive base provides up to 5.5 Newton meters of torque, a meaningful step into true direct drive territory at a price significantly below flagship competitors. The bundle includes a wheel rim, base, and a 2-pedal set, giving you everything needed to start racing immediately without sourcing additional hardware. Moza's Pit House software allows detailed force feedback tuning, letting you customize the feel to match your preferred racing titles and personal sensitivity. The compact direct drive base mounts securely to most racing rigs and desks, and the build quality reflects Moza's growing reputation as a serious player in the direct drive space. Quick-release wheel attachment allows swapping rims as your setup evolves. For PC-focused sim racers who want genuine direct drive performance in a complete, ready-to-race bundle without assembling separate components, the Moza R5 is one of the smartest value propositions in true direct drive racing available in 2026. Closing out the list with the Fanatec GT Pro, and Fanatec's reputation in the sim racing community for premium, motorsport-grade equipment is on full display here. The direct drive base delivers up to 8 Newton meters of torque, with exceptionally detailed, nuanced force feedback that experienced sim racers immediately recognize as a step above hybrid systems. The included wheel rim is modeled after genuine GT racing designs, and Fanatec's quick-release system allows swapping between their extensive ecosystem of compatible rims as your setup grows. The 2-pedal set features a hydraulic field brake with adjustable resistance, replicating the progressive feel of a real car's braking system far more convincingly than spring-based alternatives. Fanatec's software ecosystem offers deep customization over force feedback profiles, allowing fine-tuning for specific racing titles and personal preference. Build quality throughout feels genuinely motorsport grade, and compatibility spans PC and Xbox. For serious sim racers who want Fanatec's renowned direct drive performance and an expandable ecosystem to grow into, the GT Pro is the most complete, most premium pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because sim racing gear deals move fast. If this helped you find the right wheel, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Hack for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.